Okay, so we'll go from the very basics. So I want to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is what I want to print here. So if I want to print it, first I need to build the logic for this. Correct? So how to build the logic, we'll see. Anyone want to give a try? Okay, I'll take Shweta only. Hey, hi Shweta.
Hi Murli, good
Hey,
morning.
hey, very good morning. Shweta, now can you help me? So totally how many number of rows we have, how many number of columns we have here?
Sure. Yeah, we have 3 rows and 4 columns.
Correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows here. Okay. So rows totally we have 3. So let me write it one by one. So totally we have 3 rows. So rows always we define with I. Correct. So then after that, actually what? Rows is an increment or a decrement?
It's increasing.
So 1, 1, 1 is coming over here, correct? So this is actually, it's like increment only over here. Because if it comes with the same number, or if it increments 1, 2, 3 like that it comes, we will make it as increment. So right now 1, 1, 1, same number, so it's better to take increment. Correct. So rows means always it's an outer loop or an inner loop?
It's the outer loop.
Outer loop. Then, so loop starts from where? Loop ends from where?
Starts from 1.
1.
Ends at 3.
Ends with?
3.
I cannot hear you.
3.
3. Why we are starting from 1 and then ending by 3 means because it's an increment.
Right.
Correct? Super. Then after that here. So here if you see, it's a columns. So totally how many columns we had?
We have 4 columns.
4 columns. Then this is J. Correct? Then after that, it's an increment or a decrement? 1, 2, 3.
That's an increment.
Super. It's an increment. Then it's an outer loop or inner loop? Columns means
So inner loop.
inner loop. Super. Then starts by where, ends by where?
Starts with 1, ends with 4.
Super. Starts with 1 and then ends with 4 over here.
4.
4. So let me just move it a little bit to the top. Okay. So this is how. First we have identified the logic over here. Now we are going to put it into a program. So now outer loop is what? Rows. Correct. So
That's it.
can you help me to write the program? So for okay, hey, good Shweta. I'll just take someone else. Can I take Nitya? Hey, hi Nitya. Hello. Hey, hi Nitya. Are you there? Okay, I'll take Indu. You okay? You don't have a mic as of now. Hey, hi Spandana.
Yeah, hi, sir.
Hi Spandana. Can you help me to write a program for this?
Yeah. For we need to take in the brackets integer I is equals to
Super.
1.
Oh, yes.
Then integer I is less than or equals to 3.
So here already we have declared it. So here only initialization only.
Okay.
It's not initialization, utilization. Okay. I is less than or equal to?
Okay. Equals to 3. And then it's increment, so I plus plus.
Correct. So I'm starting it from 1, ending it by 3, and then it's an increment, so it's a I plus plus. Why I'm writing at the beginning means it's an outer loop.
Outer loop.
Why I've taken I means because for rows usually we'll go with I.
I.
Understood? Yes, super. A good man. Good, Spandana. Next.
Then integer.
Integer.
J is equals to.
J is equal to.
1 will start with 1.
Yes.
And J less than or equals to.
Yes.
4.
4. Super.
Because we are ending with 4,
Yes.
and it's an increment, so J plus plus.
J plus plus. Yes. Yes. Then inside what I need to print here?
CISO.
CISO.
Just we need to take print.
Okay. It's a print alone. Super.
Then I.
Okay. So if I print I, so
Yeah.
what will happen initially? When I start the loop, I value will be 1.
1.
Then my J value, it comes over here. I is less than or equal to 3?
3.
Yes. Comes here. J is equal to 1. 1 is less than or equal to 4?
Yes.
Yes. Comes inside. Now if I print I, it will print I, that is 1.
1. Yeah.
Then J value will be incremented to 2.
2.
2 is less than or equal to 4? Yes.
Yes.
Now again when I print I, what is my I value still?
2.
1.
1 only.
So it prints 1. So 4 times till the J value runs, it will be printing 1.
Okay.
Next time when the I value increments to 2, then it comes inside. Again J will be printed for 4 times. So it will print 2, 2, 2, 2. But I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
So that means what I need to do?
Then you need to take for J.
Yes, J.
Then again we need to print just CISO println
Where?
in the next line.
Yes, in the outer loop.
Outer loop, yeah.
So system dot out dot print ln.
ln empty, nothing we should mention in the
Yes,
brackets.
correct. Why this we are using means because to move to the next row.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Good. Any questions for anyone, guys? Any questions for anyone?
Sir, just can you execute it and show us?
Oh yes, I'll do that. Give me a minute. Okay. So we have already written yesterday for this. So here we have done this. So starts with 1, ends by 3. Okay, see here. Starts by 1, ends by 3. Then J starts by 1, ends by 4. Both are increment. Now printing J. So inner loop will run for 4 times. It's a print. So prints 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after that comes out of the loop. Then prints me actually what print ln comes to the next line. I value increments to 2 now. Then after that actually what goes to J, again runs for 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that it prints and then comes out. The second one, let me execute it. Got it? Understood, guys? Anyone has any questions on this? Everyone is clear?
One quick question.
Yes, Shweta.
Is there a way to just execute that one just that block of code? I mean, how can I comment out the rest? Is there a easy
cool.
way
You
to do it?
want to execute only this, right? So
Just
the
that.
first few lines you don't want to execute. So
Correct.
select it.
And the last few, yeah.
Control Shift /. Okay.
Oh,
Control
okay.
Shift /. So now if you see that will be in green color. That means this is not executing.
Got it.
In case if you want to remove it, Control Shift /. Okay. Control Shift / will comment it. Control Shift // will remove the comment.
Thank you.
Right. Same thing. If you can do this way also. So select all the lines. Control /. It will put like this.
Oh, okay.
If you have a double / in a line, that is commenting. If you don't want, again Control /. Okay, Control / is for line by line comment. Same thing, a full comment is for actually we have to use Control Shift /. You will have a / star mark and then ends with star /. If you want to remove it, one you can just remove like this. Otherwise, shortcut key is Control Shift /. Okay, guys. Good. Thank you. So now we'll go for the next few types. Okay, let me go here. Now I want to print 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, a pyramid level. So how to do this? Okay, so now here you guys have to tell me. Okay, so the information is what means before actually what we have all the rows we had, all the columns we are printing. But here if you see at the beginning, I'm printing only once, twice, thrice, and 4 times. Correct? So how to get onto this? Okay, so simple. The logic remains same. A little bit changes alone will come. So I will make you guys only to execute so that you become comfortable. Hey, hi Atira.
Hello.
Hey Atira.
Yeah.
Can you tell me? So how many rows we have?
4 rows.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. So 4 rows. Then after that, rows always will be
I.
I.
And increment.
Just a minute. I will just make it blue. Okay, 4 rows. Then it's increment or decrement?
Increment.
Increment, because comes with same number, so we'll go with increment. Yeah. Rows means always it's a
outer loop.
Outer loop. Then here we are printing everything. So it starts by where, ends by where?
1 and 4.
Yes. Starts with 1
and ends with 4.
Ends with
4.
4 here.
Yeah.
Correct? Then, so here columns is a challenge here. So we'll see, but we'll try to do it one by one. So totally how many columns we have?
4 columns.
4 columns. Columns always will be represented by
J.
J. It's an increment or a decrement?
It is an increment.
Increment. Superb. Then always columns is a
inner loop.
Inner loop. Then starts by where?
1 and ends by 4.
So starts by
1.
1. Ends actually what? With 4.
Yeah.
But the thing is actually what? It's actually what? First time it's 1. First time it's actually, next second time is 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and 1 to 4. So here I can say ends with 1 to 4.
Okay.
Can you make it like this?
Yeah, sure.
You're clear, right? Because sometimes actually what it is 1, sometimes it's 2, 3, 4 like that it comes out.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm mentioning ends with 1 to 4.
Yeah.
Okay. So now before writing the program, I will try to print the output result how I want.
Okay.
Okay. So with this we will try to make it, whether is it working or not, we will see.
Okay.
So now, yeah, hey, good. Thanks, Atira. Thank you so much.
Okay.
So now I will make it. So we have a I, and then we have a J, and then what is my output? This is what I want. Okay, IJ and output. So now let me start typing it. So for me, what I need here, if you see, first actually what I will start my loop with actually what? 1. So outer loop is actually what? Always 1. Correct? So here the information is for me. So first time J, if you see, I need to run only once. Correct? So only once I need to run. Then my output will be 1 here. Then after that actually what I need to come to the next loop. Okay, so my I value actually what now actually what J, once it comes to 2, I need to come out of the loop. Okay, so once actually what J value comes to 2, so that is it should run only for once alone. Once it comes to 2, I should come out of it. That is the way I need to do. So here I'll make it like this. Okay. Then after that, my I value should be incremented to 2. Now what should, okay, so instead of having it as 1, 2 like that, I'll make it in this way. So then after that 2. Now what should happen? My J value should run for once and then twice. Now what should happen? It should move to the next line before that. Then it should print 1 and 2. Then when it comes to the third, now my J value should run for 1, 2 and 3. So it will print for me 1, 2, 3. Correct? Same thing. When the I value comes to 4, it should run for 1, 2, 3 and 4. Correct? So it will print me 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So this is my expectation. Okay? Understood, guys? Any questions on this building? It's actually what straightforward I'm just doing. So whatever I need, my output, if I do like this, I know that actually what I will be getting it. Correct? So I'm not writing the program. First, I'm trying to identify what might be my output. Okay, what I should get as my output. So based on this, actually what I should build the program. Because whenever you want to write a program, you should first check over there what type of output you should get it. Correct? Based on this only, you can write the program. So that's what again I am doing here. Okay, everyone understood on this part? Can everyone ping me in the chat windows? Yes. Can everyone ping me? Super. Good. So now my logic. I'm going to apply my logic here. So how to apply the logic? We will see one by one. So now here, so my logic lies in this way. So if you see J value, if it is 1, can you see my I value is 1. Then when my J value, when it was 2, that is ending of the loop, my I value is also 2. When my J value is 3, my I value is 3. When my J value is 4, my I value is 4. That is the inner loop entirely runs depends on my I. You got the logic? Everyone got the logic, guys? So this is how I found the logic right now. The iteration ends based on my I value. Always iteration starts by 1. Okay, that is easy. Inner loop starts by 1. But where it ends, it depends on my I here. That's what the logic right now I found. Clear for everyone on this? Understood why how I found the logic, guys? I got a reply from only from 2 members. And then first we will see this example. If I jump from here to other, you guys will be confused, right? Guys, you want me to show some other example, or you want me to continue with this program? Please reply. You want me to continue with this program or some other program? Please let me know so that according to that I can help you. Cool. Great. Okay. Sure. Okay. So now let me continue. So the thing is here. Okay. So I got actually what? The J value starts by always by 1. We got to know. Okay. Then ends by, if you see over there, that is based on my I. Actually, that iteration ends here. See, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and then 4, 4. Okay. Now I will write the program. So I value, if you see actually what we know clearly. So it's a rows. Okay. And then always slower running loops are actually what? My outer loop. So that's what we have written already here. Rows and it's whether it's an increment, all those things. So now I'll write the for loop, outer for loop. For integer I is equal to 1. Then I, it should run till where? Till 4. I is less than or equal to 4. Then it's an increment, so I am giving I plus plus. Clear? Then again for integer j. So always j we know clearly 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So j starts from actually what? Always 1 only. J now ends by where? See, that is, it ends actually what? Till my I value is there. Correct? So instead of giving actually what? J is less than or equal to 4 like that, j is less than or equal to I. Will that be correct? Can you see? So information is what I'm doing, so simple. That is, I'm ending this inner loop based on my I value. So first time I value is 1, so that means this loop will run only for once. If my I value is 2, the inner loop will run for twice. If it is 3, the inner loop will run for thrice. If it is 4, inner loop run for 4 times. So that is what I want. So that is what I have got here. See, so it's a print. Then I should print j here. Then here, as usual, to end the loop, system.out.println, then close it. Understood? Is my logic is correct? Can everyone check it once? Clear case for everyone? Everyone understood this logic?
Murli?
Yes, yes. Please tell me.
Yeah. How come you print print J?
So here my j value I'm trying to print it, correct? Because j is actually what? A faster running loop. 1, 2. Okay, so first time it will run once, correct? So okay, I'll show you like this. See, for integer I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 4. So that means outer loop will start by 1 and then it will run till my I value is 4, correct? Then the inner loop starts always by 1 and then ends based on my I value.
Yeah.
What is my I value right now here?
1.
1. So that is till 1. That means j value is 1 and then j is also running till actually what my value is 1 only. So that means it will run only for once alone. Correct?
Okay.
Then after that actually what? It prints me 1. Then after that when it becomes as 2, 2 is less than or equal to 1?
Yeah.
No, comes out of the loop. Correct?
Okay.
Then system.out.println. Then after that it goes to the next line.
Okay.
Now I value increments by
1.
2. Now j value again starts with 1. So 1 is less than or equal to 2? Yes, prints me 1. Then j value increments by 2. 2 is less than or equal to 2? Yes. It again prints me 2 here.
2.
Then j value becomes as 3. 3 is less than or equal to 2?
No.
No, comes out of the loop.
Okay.
Now println. Now it cursor comes to the next.
Okay.
I value increments to
3.
3. Now again the inner loop will run for 1, 2, 3. When it becomes as 4, comes out of the loop.
Okay.
Correct?
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah. Got it.
That's it. Okay, thank you. So now let me do this. So here I will have another one. So till here I will try to comment. The same logic we will apply here. So for integer I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 4, I plus plus. Inner loop, I need to start always from 1 only. Integer j is equal to 1, but inner loop should end based on my I value. I is less than or equal to I. Then j plus plus. Then here I should print system.out.print alone. But what is the value I need to print? Here it should be j. Then outer loop sysO system.out.println alone. See, now when I run it, it will print it at 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Understood, guys? Any questions on this? Anyone has any questions on this? It's clear, right? Can everyone ping me in the chat windows? Yes, if you have understood this logic. Okay. So next, again we will go to the next logic. So you have to help me on building this. So I'll come here. Now my intention is I want to print like this. So 1, 1, sorry, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. So for this, help me to build the logic. Correct. So now first I will write the I and J and then my output. So we will do. So here we will try to put the how many, what is rows, columns, all those things. Okay. So anyone like to give a try? Anyone like to give a try?
Yes, Murali.
Yes.
Sure. Okay, cool, superb. Yes, Bhargavi, can you
Yes.
help me? So how many rows we have?
We have 4 rows.
Super, 4 rows. Rows means always it's a
Outer loop,
outer loop. Super.
and it starts with 1
Okay, starts by 1,
and ends by 4.
ends with 4. Okay, it's an increment or a decrement?
It's an increment.
Superb, it's an increment. Superb. Hey, good. Hey, thanks, Bhargavi. Now, Mayuk, can you tell me right now next for the J? So for the columns level, can you help me? Mayuk, your voice is very less.
Can you
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
hear me right?
Yes, yes, I can hear you now.
Yeah. For the inner loop, that is J,
Okay.
there are 4 columns, but it will be I dependent.
So for 4 columns, so columns always will be defined by J.
J.
Okay, next.
And
So it's an outer loop or inner loop?
it will be inner loop.
Superb, it's an inner loop. Then next is starts by where?
With I means with 1.
So here if you see 1, 2, 3, sorry, 1. Here next time actually what it is 2. Next time it is 3. Next time it is 4. See 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. So that is it's not starting by 1 right now.
With
So starts by, here I can say 1 to 4. Correct?
Yes.
Ends by where can you say?
Ends by 1 to 4 again.
Correct. Ends by also again it is 1 to 4. Understood, guys? This one. So why I mentioned actually what starts by 1 to 4, ends by 1 to 4. This is important. Can everyone ping me as yes if you have understood this part? Everyone understood why I mentioned as 1 to 4, starts by 1 to 4? I want to reply from everyone. If you are not understood also, I just want to reply as no. Repeat. Oh, cool. Super. Good man. So totally actually what we have 4 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4. See 4, 4, 4, 4. Totally 4 columns. And then always columns actually what we represent by J. Then it's a inner loop. Because inner loop why we saying? Because faster running loops always we call it as an inner loop. Then starts by, okay, if you see starts by 1 to 4 are given. Why? First time in the first row, the column level if you see, we print only 1 alone. The second time if you see, we print 2 and 2. So that's why starts by where actually what? First time, first row it starts by 1. The second time it starts by 2. Then the third row level the column starts by 3, 3, 3. The fourth time also it starts by 4, 4, 4, 4. Clear, right? So that's why we have mentioned actually what? Starts by 1 to 4 and then ends also by 1 to 4. Because first time it is 1, second time it ends by 2, third time ends by 3, fourth time ends by 4. Okay, and then it's an increment or a decrement? It's a
increment.
Increment. Good, super. Okay, so now we have to print it. So now we will write the logic. I'll just copy paste the same thing. Just for the bordering, I am just trying to copy paste. A good mail, thank you. So next thing, we have to build it. So how I want to print it? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. Correct? This is the way I need to print it. So that means first time actually what I, when it runs, so my J is there, right? So okay, I just print it. In case if you're feeling it confusion, let me know. So J value first time it should run only for once alone. Correct? It should run for only once alone, so that it prints me 1. Correct? Then after that actually what I should come to the next line. So here next I value should be incremented. So this inner loop should cut. Then I value increments to 2. Now if you see, I want to print here as 2 and 2. Nothing I'm doing, I'm just taking it from here. Based on this, I'm just running it over there. So now it should print 2, 2. Correct? Then after that, it should come out of the loop. Then after that, 3. Now it should print 3, 3, 3. Okay? Then it will print 3, 3, 3. Then after that, 4. Now it should print me 4, 4, 4, 4. Then after that, it will print me 4, 4, 4, 4. That's it. Clear? Clear for everyone on this? So first time 1, next time 2, 2, third time 3, 3, 3, and then 4, 4, 4, 4. That's what I want to do. So here, this also another way actually what? To write the program, get the program logic in an easier way. So first time actually what, if you see, the J value actually what starts from where? 1 and then ends by 1 itself. Correct? J value here starts by 2, ends by 2 itself. J value starts by 3, ends by 3 itself. J value starts by 4, ends by 4 itself. Clear? So here my intention, I just need to know. So so here my thing is, first time it should run for 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and then for the 4 times. Clear? So the loop should actually what, run for once, twice, thrice, and then 4 times. So first time actually what I value is where? 1, twice, thrice, and then 4 times. Correct? So loop starts with always by 1 and then ends by 4. Okay, loop always starts by 1, ends by 4. So this information actually what, it's running based on my actually what, again based on my I value only. Based on my I value actually what, the loop ends. And what it's printing if you see, so J1, what is my I value? 1. J value 2, 2, what is my I value? 2. J value is 3, I value is 3. J value is 4, 4, 4, 4, we are printing here, it is 4. So based on this only now I am going to get my logic here. Yes, we will do. So now outer loop. So anyone can help me on the outer loop? I'll ask someone. Hey, hi Ashvi. Would you like to give a try?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ashvi. Can you tell me? So I want to write the outer loop. What will be outer loop?
Integer I equals to 1
Super.
and column I less than equals to 4.
Yes.
I plus plus.
I plus plus. Awesome. Yes. Then
For integer I j equals to 1.
J is equal to 1.
J is less than equals to.
Less than or equal. So here J value always we are starting it by 1 because first time 1, then after that 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. So it's like we have to run for n number of times. But when we need to end the loop, it depends here. So J value is less than
4
Less than or equal to?
equals to 4. Yeah.
So if I give 4, always the loop will start with 1, ends by 4. First time actually what it's running only once. Second time it's running actually what? Twice.
Okay,
Then
okay. So
thrice.
it will be I.
Yes, correct. So based on my I value only, the loop should end here. It is J plus plus. Then what we need to print here? Sorry, here what we need to print? So
I.
yes, it should be I, because when the loop starts, I value is what we are printing here for the entire inner loop. Okay, yes. Then here it should be so println. That's it. A good, Ashwin. Awesome, super. Guys, can everyone ping me? The chat windows, yes, if you have understood this part. Can everyone ping me? If you are not understood, and then if you want me to repeat also, I'm ready to repeat. Please ping me that also. Because I just want to make you, because why I'm taking it very slowly means, because I want everyone to be very good on logics, because that helps in your interview and then to write a program by yourself when you come to Selenium and all those things. Okay, one day I got a reply from Pooja, Atira, Shweta, Rajesh, others, all. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Only it's my you.
Yeah, yes, Mayuk.
Wouldn't that be J equal to and I and J should be printed?
So here right now actually what J is equal to 1, J is less than or equal to I am giving. Because why I'm giving actually what 1 and then it is less than or equal to I means, because from my side always actually what if I give 1, it starts from actually what 1, 2, 3 like that. So less than I means actually what is my I value right now? It is 1. So 1 is less than or equal to 1? Yes. 1 is less than or equal to 2? No. Then it comes out of the loop. So second time I value will be 2 here. So 1 and 2 twice actually what the loop will run.
Yeah, got
Okay.
it, got it.
Then the third time
Yeah.
thrice. Then 4 times.
Yeah.
That's the reason.
Okay. Thank you.
Got it right?
Yeah, thank you.
Cool. So here that means actually what J value starts by 1 year. Okay. So now let me again write the same program. So here again. So for integer I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 4, I plus plus. Then for integer j is equal to 1, j is less than or equal to till I, then j plus plus. Here printed system.print. I'm going to print here I, then system.print ln. So it prints here 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. That's it. Clear? So next loop, I want you to print like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Okay, so this is what we need to print. So I'll just copy paste the same thing. So now ij and then the output here. So we'll see how to do it. So right now actually what always we know I is a outer loop. So we start to write here. So I value actually what when it is 1. Okay, so here I need to print actually what 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, then after that the j value when it is 2, I want to print here for 1, 2 and 3. When the I value is actually what 3, I want to print here for 1 and 2. Then after that, when my I value is 4, I want to print it for 1 alone. That's what here we need to do. Okay, so it should print here as 1, 2, 3, 4. Then next 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 1. Okay, so this is the thing. So we all know actually what the outer loop is, what always I. So outer loop. So this is a outer loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So increment or a decrement. It should be a increment. Okay. Then after that, actually, what next? Tell me right now. So starts by where? 1, ends by 4. Correct? Understood, guys? Everyone? Why? How I write these things? Then next is a inner loop. Then it's a increment. Then again starts by 1 or 4. Can you see? It's actually what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So I will just mention starts by 1 and then ends by what? So ends by here. So it might be actually what? 1, 2, 4. Okay, but we have to identify how it is and all those things over there. Clear? So will this work, or there is some changes that we need to do? We will see. Clear? So now I'm going to work on with this. So here, right now, first time if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, next time is 1, 2, 3, next time is 1, 2, next time is 1. Okay, so here, if it is 1, how I can make my logic actually what to run for 1, 2, 3, 4? So is there a way? We will try. I'm also not sure. We will see. So for integer, so I is equal to 1, starting by 1, and then I is less than or equal to 4. Then I plus plus. I will take it. Then for integer, j is equal to 1. Then right now if you see, it is actually what? 4 I am giving over there. That is till 4. So next time it should be actually what? Run till 1, 2, 3. Next time it is 1, 2. Will this work over there? Anything if I put I or something like that? No. So information is I need to change like this. See, instead of making it as actually what? 1, 2, 3, and 4. If I make it like this, this is 4. This is 4. This is 3. This is 2. And this is 1 like this. If I make, now can you see I value actually what starts by 4 I mentioned over here. Starts by 4 and then ends by 1 here. Okay, ends by 1 I mentioned here. Ends by 1. So now if you run the loop, see how the logic I'm building now. So for integer I is equal to 4 and then my I value is greater than or equal to 1, till that I need to run it. Then I value is a decrement. Clear? Then what is my inner for loop? We will identify. So this will come as decrement over there. I need to change it. We'll change later. Then integer j is equal to, so j value if you see, always we are starting it by 1 and then ending it by 4 here, next to 3, next to next one. See, based on my I value again I'm ending it. Okay, so j value always starts by 1 but ends by where? Based on my I value less than or equal to I. Then j plus plus because it's an increment. Clear? Then simple I'm printing a so print here j, because j means what? 1 2 3 4 like that it will print. Next time it will print 1 2 3 like that it goes on. So println here. Okay, so I value starts by 4, I value ends by 1 here. So first when it comes here, so my j value starts by 1, j is less than or equal to I, so I value is what? 4. So 1 2 3 4 till 4 it runs, then prints me 1 2 3 4. Now comes out of the loop, move to the next line. Okay, then I value actually was decremented by 3. Now 3 is greater than or equal to 1, yes, comes inside. J value starts with 1, then j value ends by till 3. So 1 2 3 because it's increment, 1 2 3 will be then. When it comes as 4, 4 is less than or equal to 3, no, comes out of the loop, comes to the next line. Next I value will be decremented to 2, then inner loop runs for twice. I value becomes as 1, inner loop runs for once, and then after that comes out of it, we got the output. Understood, guys? Anyone has any questions on this? Anyone has any questions on this? Sure, I'll repeat it. So now here, so I value starts by 4 3 2 1. It's a decrement here, I do, correct? It's a decrement here. Okay, so I value starts and then ends by 1, I told. So that's what here we have mentioned here. Next, inner loop I have mentioned as starts by 1. First time it should run for 4 times. 1 2 3 4. Second time 1 2 3. Then next time 1 2. Then after that should be 1. So first time 1 2 3 4. Then comes the next line 1 2 3 1 2 and then 1. Clear, right? So based on that only we are doing it. So loop we are starting it from 4 and then here if you see we are ending it by 1. So because it's a decrement, starts by 4 and ends by 1 here we have mentioned. This part everyone understood this? Everyone clear on this first part? The outer loop everyone understood? Can everyone ping me in the chat window as yes? If you understood the outer loop and then this table, why I written the table like that? Super, that's great. Then after that the inner loop. Inner loop actually what starts by 1 and then I'm ending it by based on I. So that because inner loop first time it should run for 4 times. So if you see I value is also 4. Next time it should run for thrice. My I value is 3. Next time 2, I value is 2. Then next time once I value is also 1. So based on this only actually what I'm running it over here. Okay. So that's why here I'm printing it over there as J. Then system.println I'm coming out. So I get my specific output whichever is required for me. Understood, guys? Everyone understood on this? Cool. So that's great. So now let me do the same part. So for integer I is equal to 4, I is greater than or equal to 1, I minus minus. Now next, my for loop, in a for loop for integer j is equal to 1. Starting from 1, I is less than or equal to, sorry, j is less than or equal to I. Then j plus plus here. Here CISO, it should be print. Here I'm printing my j value. CISO println, here it should be nothing. Now when I run it, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1. Clear, right? Understood everyone? Any questions for anyone on this? Okay, so I'm going to give you some assignments today based on this. I want an 100% everyone has to try the assignment for sure, because the logics, all those things, if you try it on the same day only, it will be easier. Okay, so what are things? Assignment, yeah. So yesterday I gave you actually what the basics of these things, right? Print 1 1 3 3 2 2 2 1 2 3 4. So here 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 4 4 3 4 3 2 1, and then printing the spaces. Next thing here, it should be 4 3 2 1 4 3 2 4 3 4. How to do it? Clear it? So this is the thing. Assignment for you. I want everyone to make sure completely you have to do it for sure. Okay. Then same thing, I just want you to print in this way also. 9th. This should be 4 4 4 4 3 3 3 2 2 1. That's the thing. Understood, guys? Hope so everyone is clear on this part. Okay, so with this, I'll stop for today. Okay, anyone has any questions? Okay. Okay, guys. So with this, I'll stop for today. I just want everyone to make sure today to do this. Okay. I am also request everyone to go through the video actually, but when you're doing the assignments, in case if you have a doubt. Okay. I will forward this paint also, so that will be helpful for you. Yes, Anil, I will do that. I'll be forwarding to everyone. Hope so everyone actually what you guys are getting my mails, right? So both demo sessions and then after that, the end of the session, everyone you're getting the mails from my side. Yes, right? Cool. Okay, guys. So with this, I'll stop. So tomorrow we'll again meet. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, guys.